In a region where growth continues to transform the landscape, opportunities to own nearly 90 private acres like this have become exceptionally rare. Nestled among the rolling countryside of Spring Hill, this remarkable property offers a rare balance of privacy, natural beauty, productive farmland, and convenience. Just minutes from Thompson Station, Franklin, Brentwood, Nashville, Interstate 840, and the airport, it provides the peace of country life without sacrificing access to the amenities and opportunities that make Middle Tennessee one of the nation's most desirable places to live. The land is the true centerpiece. Rolling pastures stretch across the property, while mature hardwoods frame scenic hillsides and long-range views. Near the entrance, a flowing creek welcomes you to the property, adding character and natural beauty to the landscape. An additional water feature includes a pond that has long supported the property's agricultural use, contributing to both the functionality and appeal of this working farm. From the productive pasture land below to the elevated hilltops overlooking the countryside, the property offers a remarkable combination of usable acreage, natural beauty, and breathtaking views. Properties of this scale and character are becoming increasingly difficult to find in the Spring Hill, Franklin, and Nashville markets. Whether envisioned as a luxury estate, working farm, equestrian retreat, recreational sanctuary, or a place for generations of family and friends to gather, this property offers the space, beauty, and freedom to create something truly lasting. More than acreage, this is an opportunity to establish a legacy, a place to build a vision, a place to enjoy the land, a place to gather for generations.